Welcome to our YouTube video comparing two popular air fryers in the market today. In this video, we will be comparing the Secura Air Fryer and the Ninja DZ550 Foodi. We will be evaluating these two products based on different categories such as capacity, cooking programs, and ease of cleaning. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. The Secura Air Fryer has a basket that can hold up to 5.3 quarts, which is perfect for small to medium-sized families, while the Ninja DZ550 Foodi has an XL10 QT capacity with two independent 5 QT zones, making it a better option for larger families or those who love to host. The Ninja DZ550 Foodi has 6 versatile cooking programs, including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, which is a great feature for those who love to experiment with different cooking methods. Meanwhile, the Secura Air Fryer has an all-in-one convenience cooker that also includes roasting, baking, grilling, and reheating. Both products have non-stick cooking baskets and are dishwasher safe, making cleaning up a breeze. However, the Ninja DZ550 Foodi includes 2 non-stick crisper plates, which can be an added advantage for those who frequently use the product. That concludes our comparison video of the Secura Air Fryer and the Ninja DZ550 Foodi. We hope this video has helped you decide which air fryer is best suited for your needs. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thank you for watching.